Some interesting facts about owls. Owls have excellent night vision due to a high number of rod cells in their retinas, which help them see in low light conditions. They have flexible necks that can rotate up to 270 degrees, allowing them to turn their heads almost completely around. There are over 200 species of owls, and they can be found on every continent except Antarctica. Owls come in various sizes, from the tiny elf owl, around 5 inches tall, to the larger great gray owl, up to 32 inches tall. Owls have sharp talons and beaks designed for capturing and consuming their prey, often small mammals and birds. The lifespan of owls varies by species, but some can live up to 20 years or more in the wild.